welcome back to my channel Learn CA with me. We have just completed the first chapter, which is Introduction to Strategic Management. We have dealt with all the concepts. Only one differentiation between the strategy and policy. I would like to complete this question. It may ask an exam. So the distinguish between strategy and policy. What is the distinguish between a strategy and a policy? How they are both different. So first of all, the first differentiation is that a strategy is a single use plan. You create a strategy. You, as in the corporate level managers, the corporate level create strategies, and it is for a single use, for a single purpose, for a single motive. It can be for any, for beat competition, for survival or growth, for any acquisition purpose, but it's a single use plan. As and when circumstances changes, you need to revise your policies. The revision is a must. You need to revise such policies and keep on revising it. But whereas policy refers to as a standing plan, it is a standing plan. The organization goals and other activities which the organization deals to improve, the organization needs to create a standing plan. All the policies and guidelines that organization creates for its effective working, they need to adhere to these policies, and therefore it's a standing plan that needs to be monitored, that needs to be ensured that the policies of the organization is properly implemented, and all the organization members, all the employees, each one adhere to such policies and work on it. Okay, the next point of differentiation is that strategy was first originated as a military. It has a military origin. Strategy was first used in military industries, wherein they created various strategies to beat their rivals, whereas policy is a civilian term. You might have heard in various organizations, in various sectors, they use their policies. It is more a word, kind of a civilian word. The next point of differentiation, that strategy has a higher place than policy, and policy supports the strategy, therefore it occupies a much lower place. Policy supports the strategy, since policy is to ensure that the organization working correctly, and whereas strategy is a much higher and a superior place than the policy. Second, strategy gives direction to the organization. It provides a direction in where it want to head, where it want to go. It provides a direction to the organization. Direction to organization. Whereas a policy gives direction to different aspects of strategy. As policy is a supporting role, it provides a direction to the strategy. Policy provides a direction to the strategy and the different aspects of strategy, so that it is ensured with organizational norms and policies and practices, and it is consistent. Next work, the next difference is it ensures that the firm's strength and weaknesses. The next point of differentiation is that it uses firm strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. It uses the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is one of the examples. SWOT analysis is one of the examples through which you can create a strategy. Whereas policy is an intellectual process. It is a framework for strategic decision making. So here we are done with the differentiation between strategy and policy. So what is a strategy? Strategy is a single use plan, whereas a policy is a standing plan. It will remain consistent throughout the organization. Strategy might change. There might be case of revision of strategy. Revision might be required in case when the circumstances, when the environment is changing and the organization needs to cope up with such strategies, then there might be a change, a revision required. Whereas in policy, revision as in is not required. A policy is laid down while creating the organization, while forming the organization, but strategy is laid down during circumstances as and when needed. Strategies can be formed, strategies can be changed. Second, strategy word has a military origin, whereas a policy has a civilian term. Strategy has a much higher place than the policy, whereas policy supports such strategy, therefore it has a lower place. Strategy gives direction to the organization, it gives direction to where the organization is and where it wants to go, whereas policy gives direction to different aspects of strategy. As it is a supporting role, it provides a support to these strategies. Strategy can be done through a SWOT analysis, and there are various techniques. But policy is a framework which is used for decision making. So with this, we are done with the distinguish between strategy and policy. And let's move on to further chapter number 2, which is dynamics of competitive strategy.